provided for it. So this accords to the needs and desires of people who use that rail line. Among other things that I saw, the repayment plan, some of them have 20 to 35 years. It's not something that you borrow today and pay back tomorrow. So it gives the government the latitude to plan and they execute this necessary infrastructure for the benefit of all Nigerians. So on this note, Mr. President, I commend President Bola Ahmed Tinubu for hitting to the call for the construction of Eastern Rail Line. This is now the first time I'm seeing it provided for in the borrowing plan. So our people will be happy with it. I thank you very much.
So also explained it. Chairman Appropriations also made his comment. Everything is now open, and the good thing is that the South is no longer marginalized. It's no longer marginalized. So the Renew Hope program is working. You are not carried along. So this is good. You see, all parts of this country is carried along in this report. So thank you very much. We now go to recommendation. Now recommendation. Based on above findings, the committee recommends that the Senate do approve the President's request for capital raising up to $2 billion through the establishment of a foreign currency-dominated financial instrument issuance program in the domestic debt market by the DMO towards the implementation of the Presidential Executive Order number 16 of 2023. Those in favor of the recommendation say aye. Those against say nay. The ayes have it. Thank you very much, members of this committee, and especially the chairman, for a job well done. You have done this Senate proud by producing a report that is very, very clear, straightforward, and quite, showing what the government is doing to bring prosperity to our nation. We can't thank you enough. I want to urge you that you continue the good work you are doing for the Senate and indeed the entire country. Thank you very much, Mr. Chairman.